Hi there. We are coming on to share one of our new holiday sets that we're really excited about. It is the hot chocolate gift set, and it comes in this box here. Makes great for gifts, or even if you have little ones at your house, you want to have everything you need to make those hot chocolates perfect. It comes all set up here. Evelyn's favorite. Take that out. Marshmallows. You can make your own marshmallows. Pre-mixed thing here. And all it needs is powdered sugar, the mix, and water. So it's super easy. You probably have everything you need. And then it comes with different flavorings. We've got toasted hazelnut, mint chocolate, and sea salt and caramel, and white chocolate snickerdoodle. And these are just a combine with 1 cup of hot milk, and we like to use the frother to warm it up and give it a little foam. What do you think of that, Evelyn?
I love this one.
You love that one?
Yeah, that one's so tasty. That one's gonna be
your favorite. Perfect. What do you think of that? That's pretty cool,
That's
huh?
good. Hi. Oh.
Say hi, bye. Thanks for listening.